Stay on.
Work hard, play hard, work hard,
Tell the
play
gang.
hard,
Yeah.
Blood gang.
play hard,
Work hard.
Remix,
play hard,
baby.
Word. Yo, Wiz. Yeah. Yeah. Remix.
Something's all in my lane, nigga. Young got them dope, that's some change, nigga. Martial law got Georgia place, got no brains, insane, nigga. Matter of fact, it's schizo. Bad bitch, she a thick hoe. Hit the club, go sicko. No ass shot, she a sick hoe. Every night is champagne, nigga. Key to life, maintain, nigga. Nothing change but the chain, nigga. What way it keep? My chain, nigga. Came to slay straight cane, nigga. Young strapping like Kane, nigga. Certified, you can't stand beside me. Yo, making rappers look lame, nigga. Bet 100 racks to bring 100 straps, move 100 packs, 2 presidents, no ice in that, cause 100 stacks. Buy all the clothes, rock all my shows, rock all the gold, fuck all the hoes, smoke all the troll, can't ask for more.
The bigger the bill, the harder you ball. Well, I'm throwing mine, cause my money long. The quicker you're here, the faster you go. That's why where I come from, the only thing we know is the bigger the bill, the harder you ball. Well, I'm throwing mine, cause my money long. The quicker you're here, the faster you go. That's why where I come from, the only thing we know is
I be killing them hoes, lock me up for murder. Make that ass shake, shake it like it's nervous. Lil Tunechi, bitch, I'm high as Wiz Khalifa. I swallow that pearl tongue like I'm having a seizure. And I work hard, go harder, no father, no problem. Send my crew at your neck like a t-shirt with no collar. Ho holla, I'm poppin', red bone, you perfect. But when her period down, man, that bitch a brand new person. We are all gifted people, just don't open the gift too early. She on her knees,